Planning a trip to Ecuador? Let's quickly go through the document checklist for your Ecuador eVisa. The process begins with document collection. You upload your required documents, and your personal details are securely recorded. Next is data extraction. Your information is accurately read and processed using smart verification systems. After that comes validation. Every document is carefully checked to ensure it meets eVisa requirements. So, what do you need? A valid passport with at least 6 months validity beyond your travel date and available blank pages. A recent passport-size photograph with a clear white background. Proof of financial means, such as bank statements from the last 3 months or a sponsorship document. Your travel details, including confirmed flight tickets, hotel bookings, and a travel plan. If any document is not in Spanish, a certified Spanish translation must be included. To avoid delays or rejection, all documents are reviewed before submission. Prepare your documents carefully and apply for your Ecuador eVisa with confidence.